Hey guys, welcome to iCreate. Today's video will be another 10-minute craft. We will be creating this very easy twisted headband with elastic. But before we proceed with the tutorial, please like and subscribe so we can continue creating new videos for you. For the materials, we need 2 pieces of 7 by 17 inches fabric. This one's a spandex nylon, but I'm using the non-stretchy side. 1 piece of 3 by 10 inches for the elastic loop, 1 piece 5 inches half-inch elastic, fabric pins, safety pins, clips, and loop turner. First step is we will fold all of our fabrics in half, right sides together, and pin it so we can sew our raw edges together later. Just repeat this step on all of your fabrics and make sure that your fabrics are properly aligned. Then, let's sew this in 1/4 seam allowance. So don't forget the back stitch. I'm using a size 9 needle for my lightweight fabric. If you're using a stretchy fabric, just go slowly and do not stretch your fabric as you sew. Just repeat this step on your other fabrics. Next step is we will turn our fabric tubes right side out using our loop turner. So just insert your loop turner to your fabric tube and attach the hook to the end of your fabric and pull it gently. So just repeat this step on all of your fabrics. Then we will now be inserting our elastic to our smallest fabric tube. So attach your safety pin to your elastic. Insert your elastic to your fabric tube. Make sure to clip your elastic in place to the end of your fabric. Then continue inserting your elastic, and once you reach the end, remove your safety pin and again clip the other end of your elastic to the other end of your fabric. Then we will sew the ends in 1/4 seam allowance to keep the elastic in place. So make sure to sew through the elastic and just repeat this to the other end of your fabric. And now we will work on our 2 big fabric tubes. So with the seam facing up, fold one of your fabric in half and clip the raw edges together. Then get your other fabric tube. With the seam facing up, insert it in the folded side of the other fabric tube and pull it. Then clip the raw edges together as well. So your fabric should look intertwined like this. So this will be your turban. And now get your fabric with the elastic. And again with the seam facing up, place one end of your elastic in the center of the raw edge of your turban. Then fold your upper and lower part in the center, overlapping each other. Then clip it together. Then stretch the other end of your elastic to the other edge of your turban and just repeat the step. Then we will sew both ends in 1/2 inch seam allowance. So as you can see, we will now be sewing a multi-layered fabric, so I changed my needle in number 11. So don't forget the back stitch. And just repeat this to the other end of your turban. You can repeat sewing this for several times just to secure the fabric and elastic. And now, after attaching our elastic and turban together, just cut the excess thread. Just make sure to leave a few inches before your stitch. Then we will just tuck our raw edges in. Just tuck it properly. And flip or turn your turban right side out. And just like that, our turban is already done. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a productive day. Bye!